Hello everyone and welcome all of you to the Makefare Better sessions of plugin demo videos and the tutorials. Guys, this is Drishti with Makefare Better, and in the today's demo video, I have come up with the demo on the updated features of Ontraport WooCommerce Integration Pro for all of you. Guys, over here I would like to make a little request to all of you that if you haven't got the integration for your website till yet, you can visit the video description. I have mentioned the link over there so you can easily get it from there. And yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep getting interesting demo videos from us. So guys, let's have a little walkthrough to understand that what is Ontraport WooCommerce integration. So guys, Ontraport WooCommerce integration is a WooCommerce integration that helps the online merchants to get the real-time abandoned cart syncing and contacts exporting over Ontraport very easily and effectively. So guys, it therefore helps them to manage their online businesses automatically. So guys, let's start the demo, and the first thing that I am going to show you is the overview section. So this is our Ontraport WooCommerce Integration Pro that shows that how our integration works. First is what we do, second, how easy it is, and third, what at the end. That is all about the automated marketing. Now comes the connection step. So guys, this is the connection, and now I'm going to show you that how can you establish connection with the Ontraport. So the credentials that you need to have is Ontraport app ID and Ontraport API key. So guys, now I'm going to explain you that how you can easily get the Ontraport app ID and Ontraport API key. Simply move to the Ontraport dashboard, and over here you need to click on administration, and then you need to click on integrations, and then on Ontraport API instructions and key manager. Simply guys, over here you need to click on new API key. So this is the API key permissions. So first you need to mention the name of the key. So let's say I'm mentioning it as Ontraport, and next you need to select the contact owner. Next guys, you need to select the options for your key. So I am selecting all of these options. You can do it as per your requirements and the needs. And after this you need to click on save. So simply click on save. So we have created the keys, and now let's click on the keys. And over here, yes, we have got API app ID. So guys, simply you have to copy the API app ID from here and paste it in the field of Ontraport app ID over here. And similar process you have to follow for Ontraport API key as well. So simply copy the API key right from here and paste it in the field of Ontraport API key in the integration. And guys, next, if you want to enable the logging of the request, you have to enable the option right from here. And if you want to view the Ontraport log file, so simply you have to visit the link that you can see, and next click on save. So guys, we have established the connection, and we get the notification that Ontraport keys have been validated. And now what you need to do, simply you have to click on proceed to next step. Now comes the setup step. So guys, this is the setup tab of our Ontraport WooCommerce integration, and the first setting that we are going to see is for how to sync the contacts record over Ontraport for all your customers. So simply enable this option of contact sync and then click on save settings. So guys, now I'm going to show you over Ontraport that how the contacts of all your customers will be synced and how can you visit the contact information. So here you can see the information with the name, email and every information over here. Now guys, let me click on one of the contacts, and yes, this is the contact information for the selected contact. You can see with contact information, lead information, transaction information, campaigns and the tags. So guys, this is how the information for all of the contacts you can sync over Ontraport for all of your customers coming in your online store. Guys, now we are going to see the settings for how to sync the sales record for all your customers. So simply enable sync transaction record and then click, and then you have to select the order status for the paid transactions. So you can select the order status. I have selected it as completed. Next you need to select the order status for refunded transactions. So simply select the option as refunded. Next guys, you need to select the order status for void transactions, that may be cancelled, failed. So we have done, and then we will click on save settings. Now guys, I'm going to show you on Entreport that how can you visit the sales information for all your customers and how you can sync that information over there. So let's click on one of the contacts. And now guys, you need to click on purchases. So in the purchase section, you can visit the purchase history and all the related information of the selected contacts with the name, contact, price, quantity, coupon and the total purchase. So guys, this is how the sales information is synced over Entreport. In the transaction, the current status is paid. As soon as the status is updated on the WooCommerce store, it will automatically be updated over Entreport. So guys, this is how it works. Next, we are going to discuss that how can you create and add the tags on the purchase activities for all your customers. So simply you need to first enable this option, and next guys, you need to select the properties that for which properties you want to add the tags on the purchase. And now you need to click on Save Settings. So all the settings have been done, and now guys, I'm going to show you on Entreport that how the tags are created for the different purchase activities of your customers. So this is the contact, and let me click on one of the contacts in the contact section, and after that you can easily visit and see the details. So simply click on contacts, and here I am going to select one of the contacts. So this is the contact information, and yes, over here under the campaigns and the tag section, you can see that this is how the tags are created for the different purchase activities for all your buyers and the customers. Now guys, we are going to discuss that how can you add the marketing checkbox. So simply click this option, and first you need to enable marketing checkbox. And guys, next you need to mention the marketing checkbox label text over here, and then you need to select the field to accept marketing. So guys, as soon as you click on this select from Entreport users field and click on Save Settings, you will get the notification for creating the custom field of accept marketing on Entreport. So guys, now I am going to show you that how can you create the custom field for accepts marketing on your Entreport account. So simply first you need to move on to Entreport and then click on Settings and then click on Field Editor. So guys, over here you simply need to click on Add Field to create the field that is accepts marketing. So this is the Add Field section. First you need to mention the name of the field that you want to create. So we are mentioning it as accepts marketing, and then you have to click on Save. So guys, as soon as you do this, then again click on Save, the option that you can see on the right corner of the page. So we have created the custom field for the accepts marketing, and now I am going to show you on the Entreport that is it appearing in the drop down list or not. So guys, now if you again click on this list, we are not getting the accepts marketing field just because first you have to click on the fetch fields to fetch the field that has been created on your Entreport account. And so let's do it first, fetch fields, and yes, now guys, now if you click on the select from Entreport users field, now you are getting the created field that is accepts marketing. So guys, this is how you can easily create the custom fields for the marketing checkbox and sending all the promotional emails to your customers. Now guys, we are going to discuss the abandoned carts feature of our Entreport WooCommerce integration that helps you sync all the abandoned cart information of all your customers over Entreport and analyze their activities. So this is the abandoned carts tab, and this is the cart settings that you need to do. So first you have to enable the cart syncing for abandoned carts, and next you have to set the abandoned cart time, that is in minutes. You can set the value as per your needs, and next you need to mention the number of the days after which the card will be deleted over Entreport. Here you can mention the contact tags, and then you need to click on Save Cards. So guys, here you get the notification to create the custom field for capturing abandoned cart data in your Entreport account. So guys, now I am going to explain you that how can you create the custom fields for capturing the abandoned cart data in your Entreport account. So guys, to do this, simply you need to first click on Create Fields. So as soon as you click on Create Fields, you get the notification and simply click on OK. And now over Ontraport, let me show you by clicking on the field editor. Yes, over here let me show you how the abandoned cart section is created. And yes, this is the abandoned cart section with all the descriptions having cart status, cart products, cart total and the cart quantity. So this is how you can easily create the abandoned cart section on Ontraport and sync all the data. And click on cart list. So guys, over here you can view each and every information of cart abandoners with email, user type, cart total, last updated information, cart status information and the sync status that yes, the data has been synced over Ontraport. So guys, this is how you can sync the data and analyze the activities of your cart abandoners. Now guys, it comes the activity rules feature of Ontraport WooCommerce integration that easily helps you to assign the tags on the different purchase activities of your customers. So this is the activity rules tab. So in which we are going to discuss the order activity tags assignment. So simply enable the option of tag assignment from here. First you need to select the activity, the column that you can see over here. Select activity. Next you can enter the tags and corresponding actions. So these are the different rules. These are the activities. These are the tags created for same activities. And here it goes on like this. So guys, over here I would like to tell you that if you want to add the new rule for new activity and create the tags for the same, simply you have to click on add new rule. And let's say I have created it for pending payment. So simply you have to create the tags which will be cancelled corresponding to the selected purchase activity. And next you have to click on save rules. So guys, now I'm going to show you over Ontraport that how the tags are assigned and how you can view that. So guys, as soon as the order status is going to be updated on your WooCommerce store, it will be automatically updated on Ontraport. And let's click on one of the contacts, and yes, this is the contact information. And yes, over here you can see that this is how the tags are assigned. Currently it's processing. As soon as it's changed on WooCommerce store, it will be updated on Ontraport. So guys, this was all about the features and the functionalities of Ontraport. Now we are going to have a walkthrough to Ontraport advantages. So guys, first of all, you will have the real-time syncing based on buyer's purchase activities and order status. Second, personalized campaigning with campaigns and sequence to convert cart abandoners. Third, guys, it's an automation platform to easily sell and manage all the online businesses. Fourth is that guys, you will have quick syncing of cart abandoners data through tagging on Ontraport. Not only this, you can easily create the custom fields for sending marketing and the promotional stuffs to all your customers. Guys, last, you will have one-click sync feature that allows you to sync old orders to Ontraport very easily. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video, and if you're having any of the queries and the doubts, you can connect us at support@makewebbetter.com. Guys, you can also mention your comments in the comment section below. And guys, till the next video, thanks for watching as well as stay connected with us.